In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted items in Monday.com. A lifesaver when you accidentally remove an important task or project update. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Monday.com tips. First, open your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where the item was deleted. Each board has its own set of deleted items, so being in the correct board is essential. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the three horizontal dots. The More Actions menu. From the drop down, hover over View Archive/Trash. Then click Trash. This is where all deleted items from the board are stored until permanently erased. Now browse through the trash to find the item you want to recover. If your trash is cluttered, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you've found your item, click the three dots next to it. From the menu that appears, select Restore. This will return the item to its original spot on the board, exactly as it was before deletion. And that's it. Your deleted item is back and you can continue working without any interruptions. Regularly checking your trash is a good habit. It helps ensure nothing important gets lost while keeping your workspace organized. By following these steps, recovering deleted items in Monday.com is simple, intuitive, and stress-free. Thanks for watching and happy organizing on Monday.com.